Sanibonani. All right, so yeah, this is an extended reading, for Utsini Umoya Ngenhlambuluko, right? Lay part 2. So ungakayibuki part 1 hambe uyoyibuka, right? The original video lapho besibhula khona ngenhlambuluko. Right, and yeah, uzobona lapho sithe masesifika lapha egcineni kwaba khona okuvelayo. So that is what we are going to check, further la. Right, sibukisise kahle ukuthi lokho kahle kahle bokuthiwani laphana khona okufihlakele la kukhona mani lapho umoya ufuna sithinte khona kodwa asikwazanga ukufika kuleya video yokuqala, right, ngoba besisayivula manje sesiyayi-extenda ke, right, sizozwisisa kahle. I was interested in two parts of that reading, right, which was the judgment. I believe it was the judgment, yeah, the judgment, and also kube nalamakhathi okugcina lawavelile umsikazi uhambisana neBhayibheli laphana ne-Islamic, Islam. So yeah, sizobuka lo sizocala ngale yakamsikazi, Bible and also Islam. When now I said engathi khona inkolelo, inkolo, something new, spirituality nyana esisha, blend of Christianity and Islam, something like that, right, ezochamuka. And this has to do with the woman that is going to bring this forth, right? Sometimes it's not really mfazi, because also this card umsikazi, right, it represents also the moon, right? So you will find that maybe this is something that is going to happen maybe next full moon or something like that, but we will see, right? So laphane overall energy to, as you remember, but we 5 of Wands, right? 5 of Wands was our overall energy for that other reading, original reading. So I said to you, 5 of Wands now uyabona chaos kuyaliwa la, kuyaliwa nje umbango nje, kuyabangiswana nje, isiphithiphithi phansi naphezulu. Abantu bafuna abakufunayo, abantu bantshontsha, abantu benzani, kuyagilwana la. Right, that is your 5 of Wands, and it was our overall energy, so we will still keep that as our overall energy, right, manje kule extended le. And then of course there was judgment. Alright, kodwa nye ngicale ngayi judgment ukuyiclarify, so sizoyibukisisa nayo singenelele kiyo deep, understand kahle ukuthi kahle kahle yini le bekukhulunywa ngayo la ngekhathi sibhula le cards, right? I said to you mase sibhula laphana, masiwadrawile lama cards lawana, it it was something to do with, nina ningathathi izinto serious anisa-consult nalabantu abaniphethe, right? Seniyazenzela umathanda, umuntu vele yenza izinto angakayanga ukuyobuza kulaba abadala ahamba nawo, right? And also it was also to do with holding back. Kwathiwa lana engathi ininginyana lenu i-potential yenu nisengakayivezi yonke, or nalabo even seba-discoverile ama-gifts wabo, they're holding back. Umuntu akayenzi lento ngokuphelele, right? Uyazifihla mhlambe uba namahloni mhlambe ngale ndlela isiphiwo sakhe sifanele sisebenze ngakhona, ebona mhlambe ukuthi no lokhu ngathi akujwayelekanga, abantu kaningi benza kanje, mina bathe ngenze kanje, mara le ungathi abantu bazayimangalela. So people are now holding back, right? So aningeneleni ngokuphelele kulezi phiwo zenu lezi. And also there was bathi commitment inyuke, ayinyuke bakithi commitment, umuntu asinikele ngempela yenze lento ngeciniso, right? Yeah, we got that from judgment, but sizoyiclarify hopefully lana, but ngendlela okungakhona engathi mhlawumbe sizoba no part 3. Le part 2 le sizobuka lawana ama-cards ayi-3 bengikutshela ngawo, right? Umsikazi, the Bible and Islam, right? And si kahle kahle ukuthi yini lokho. But if kusanesikhathi, then we'll also do judgment, right? And then again along judgment, remember we had the 5 of Wands as our overall energy, but and then for Heart of Matter, like ama-cards besiwabhula bekawu-3, it was Islwane, and there was yini lenye bekhona la, Ingulo, Head, Brain, and then bese kwaba ne judgment, right? So kule Ingulo, Head, Brain, right, le karata lelane, it came out in reverse, right? Wathiwa lokuvilapha, nokuthatha izinto kancane nihudule iy'nyawo, kusemcondweni kahle kahle, ininginyana lenu isafanele nihluziwe izingcondo, right? Yeah, and then yeah, awuhluzwe umngcondo, right? And you start thinking more of positive thoughts as well. You need to nichinche nigucule ngale ndlela le ebekade nibuka ngazo izinto mhlambe nomuntu ayekele nokuzincindezela ngokucabanga izinto ezibulala umoya, right, negative thoughts, right, yiyona leyo. So bathi ithemba alibuyiswe. Okay, yeah, that was that. Ingulo head brain, and then we also had isilwane, right, coming out also in reverse. Actually, that was the hard cut we drew, right? Yes, belikhuluma ngamanzi amnyama, ngokuphehlelwa amanzi amnyama, umsamo, but also about lokho kwenzakalayo in the spiritual realm. As I told you, I said with the Five of Wands and this one coming out in reverse, and a whole lot of other things that we discovered while we were bullying Isilwane. We did see that actually there's like spiritual war. Right? Maybe that's why we also have the Bible here and the Islamic, like une clash, iyo ireligion, kwenzakalani, kuyaphikiswana. We will see that, right? Ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani. But yeah, isilwane sikhuluma ngaloko kwathiwa bheka man. You know, kukhona okufihlakele ngendaba sekini yasemsamo engathi uyazi ungathola indawo ethulile wenokuthula manje endaweni ezithulile, maybe endaweni, you know, nature mostly, and listen to yourself, uthulise lo msindo owuzwayo, you know, inkulumo zabantu, ukuphikisana kwabantu phezu kwakho, and uye ngaphakathi, right? That was shown by the moon crossed by the hermits. Yeah, bengisummarize lapho, but yeah, if bongakayibukile ya video, you can go back, right, mhlawumbe kukhona okunye lapho ungakuphicka up wena thina esingakwazanga ukufinyelela. All right, so yeah, now we are continuing. We are looking into umsikazi, all right, and crossed by the Holy Bible and also Islam. Hey, interesting. And the Five of Wands as our overall energy. Ngizamile ke ukukhuleka before the reading. Again, hey, angazi yini le vimbayo, but hey, angazi yini le bengibona laphani, but bungathi ninja. So, you know, ngizithola lapha ngicula necula something lurking in the darkness, lurking in the darkness. Ngathi kunespoki la esisibukile. Hey, yeah, kwenzakalani lana? Otsotsi bahlasela babuke nje ngihlanganisa ama-cards lana. Wait, let me separate these. Okay, something like that. Hey, abobani laba abanyonyo bayo benzani kuphi? Awu, bafaka amabhalaklava. What are you stealing, you? Right, so yeah, let's see. Show us, Holy Spirit, what is happening. Sibonise kwenzakalani. Siyabuza lana umsikazi, Holy Bible and the Islam. What is happening here? What is hidden? We are opening the Akashic records for Msikazi, Holy Bible and the Islam. All right, yeah, this is going to be quite interesting, right? I'm so looking forward to this. Show me what is happening here. Get my cards. All right, we are shuffling the cards. Okay, shuffling the cards. Show me what is happening here with umsikazi, the Holy Bible and Islam. Okay, show me in 1, 2, 3 what is happening here. Six of Cups crossed by the King of Cups. King of Cups again with the Three of Swords, and then the Three of Swords with the Nine of Wands. Who's this King of Cups? Umuntu lona onozwelo, umuntu onothando, umuntu omdala futhi singasho kanjalo, umuntu okhulile, you know, again umuntu ogogodile lona. Kwenzakalani ngaye? What is happening with the Three of Swords? Uhluthulwani lo muntu? Yini abayintshontshayo kulo muntu? Lo muntu uyaphoqwa bayeke lokuthize, mhlawumbe into ayikhonzile, into asuka nayo kude. I don't know, but let's see. Show me what is happening here. Give me the overall energy around this situation. yeah, siyaskena manje, right? Siyaskena, right? To have an idea of what could this Msikazi Holy Bible and Islam mean, right? Yes, we're gonna be. I saw the Empress now, yeah, coming out, wanting to come out really, and in reverse. Khona umuntu ophucwayo la, phucwa in the Hierophant. Wow, coming out in reverse. This is a religious someone, spiritual guru of some sort. Yeah, it must be a spiritual guru. I mean, umuntu onothando uzaba yini Nkosi yami. Umuntu onamandla kakhulu lo. Umuntu onesiphiwo. What is this? You will see though. Right, show me the overall energy concerning this situation. Umsikazi, the Holy Bible and Islam. Yeah, let's see. We have here Page of Swords. Ooh, Page of Swords. Yeah, definitely something is happening here. You know, the Page of Swords represents kungaba ukuthunyelwa ngomagic, ukuthunyelwa you know, kunabantu abaperforma umagic la, baperforma umagic, or khona umuntu ofuna ukufunda ngokuthize, mhlawumbe umuntu ubhekene nenkinga ethize, usazama ukuyihlaziya, lo muntu busy ngalo, kodwa lona umuntu one-potential futhi. Exactly what I was saying. I mean, this person is showing up as an Hierophant and as a King of Cups, so it's someone indoda le, or some, if umfazi umuntu one no more of masculine energy, umuntu okakhulu mhlambe ekwenzeni izinto njengamadoda, right? That is masculine energy. All right, so this person is trying to figure something out here. Xakekile lo muntu, or khona kufundayo lo muntu. That is crossed by the 8 of Pentacles. Yeah, so this is more like studying something, trying to plan something. You know, kungenzeka futhi ukuthi lo muntu kunebhoma yakhayo. Somewhere someone is, you know, putting together a spell of some sort, or magic of some sort, or something of some sort. Like there's Ace of Cups here. It has to do with emotions. Ace of Cups. Alright. Ace is like a new beginning, right? Isicalo lesi. So wenzani lo muntu kahle? Let's see, 9 of Wands. Yeah, this is a wounded warrior. So we have here the Page of Wands and the 8 of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, 9 of Wands. Lo muntu akafuna ukushiya phansi. Khona umuntu ongafuna ukushiya phansi la. Akafuna ukushiya phansi. And so I think ngoba umoya usungenelele mhlambe ufuna ukugucula lokho, lo muntu usalwa safuna izindlela mhlambe zokuthi ahlala hlezi khona lapha angakhona, right? We will see the Page of Cups here. We have here the Page of Pentacles, and we have the 5 of Swords and Justice. Yeah, justice at the bottom of the deck here. So Justice is crossing this Page of Wands. Yeah, someone is trying so desperately trying to balance things out, so desperately trying to hold on to a new, you know, old way of doing things, or an old, you know, life type of thing. Khona umuntu ongafuna ukuqhubekela phambili lana, umuntu ufuna ukubambelela kwinto ayikhonzile. Lo muntu uyabona ukuthi no, sengihlulekile man, ngathi ngiyahluleka la, kodwa lo muntu usaphusha. This person is pushing very hard. And the Page of Cups here, right? The Page of Pentacles. Yeah, but amandla wakhe akanelanga, right, ukubambelela, ukuqhubekela ngale ndlela leyo ayikhonzile, mhlawumbe indlela ayijwayele, right? With the 5 of Swords here, yeah, ego. It also has to do with ego as well. Mhlawumbe lo muntu uyasaba ukuthi mase ngalahlekelwa yiloko abantu bazongithatha kancane, right? So this is absolutely battling with your ego. 5 of Swords, right? someone here is desperately holding on to their status, right? They don't want to lose their status. Yeah, kuningi. All right, so let's clarify this and see what is happening here. Show me what is happening here with this situation. I just saw the root card. It's like a labyrinth, you know. Yeah, someone is trying to find their way around. Hey, gumnyama, 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 but someone is desperately looking for that, you know, last hold, something. Sobona kodwa ukuthi lo muntu uzophele lapho kwenzakalani la, something like that, right? Yeah, at this moment angazi ukuthi ile King of Cups lelo muntu loyana onenhliziyo enhle owenza izinto, you know, ngokucabanela nabanye, or is something else now, right? We will see. Let's clarify. Show me. Okay, show me in 1, 2, 3. Show me this page of wands. Show me this page of wands. What is this? What is this page of wands for? Tarashana Banlo, yeah, spells coming out. Someone here is either, so it's coming out sideways. Kungenzeka ukuthi yes lo muntu, like I said, kukhona ibomb ayakhayo la to send somewhere, or someone is trying to reverse that, you know. Njengoba sibonile ukuthi lo muntu man uyazama la, khona into azama ukuyiwonga la, uyibalansisa so that ingachitheki. So lo muntu usacabangisisa kahle kahle ukuthi mhlambe lama spells la ngawa reverse kanjani, is crossed by sweet oblivion. Mhlambe nokunga understand ukuthi umuntu sometimes ufanele ayekele umoya usebenze, yena lo muntu mhlambe ngoba sibonile ukuthi isengqondweni kakhulu, usitshela ukuthi mhlambe uma kungangeniswa le ndlela entsha yokwenza izinto lokho kuzombeka, you know, on a disadvantage here, right? So we see this person trying so hard to reverse this spell, so building a spell to send somewhere, umejikilo, right? And yeah, we will see. Show me why is the page of wands here. Show me why the page of wands is here. It's Chunyo coming out in reverse. I'm sorry, sideways. It's Chunyo coming out sideways. In peace, crossing that. So in peace is crossing is Chunyo. So who is this? Engabe lo muntu uyathunyelwa lokho, or yeah, this is causing a glitch. All eyes on you. Yeah, khona umuntu abafuna ukumbukisa ngesizwe la. Umuntu lo odumile, because uvela njenge Hierophant, right? And yeah, Hierophant is also representing someone who traditional, someone who spiritual. This is a guru, right? Yes, kukhona amashwalana abazama ukumthumelela wona. Sithunywa sakhe sicinile siyamvikela, kodwa siyabona la ngendlela sime ngakhona asinamandla kakhulu, right? So it's feeling the heat basically, and yeah, we will see though. There's a lion here, inner strength. Let me see. Let me clarify. Why is this 8 of Pentacles here? Show me why the 8 of Pentacles is here. Show me in 1, 2, 3. Why is the 8 of Pentacles here? Show me in 1, 2, 3. We have here the crown chakra, you know, with the 8 of Pentacles. Yeah, this person is trying so hard, crossed by transparency. Transparent. Let me see what else I can get. Show me 8 of Pentacles and the crown chakra. Yini loku. Kwenzakalani la? We will see. Show me crown chakra and the 8 of Pentacles. Popom. crossed by umNazaretha. You know, umNazaretha card can also represent isidalwa esiza nenhlanhla. Right, inhlanhla yalo muntu ya nephophoma. Kuna, you know, something, this spell that is being built here. Lo mlingo lo wakhiwayo lana, inhloso yakhona ukuyoshala umuntu, oh, ingulo head brain. Remember, that was our second card, heart of the matter, right, lapho ku-original reading. So yeah, crown chakra and iphophoma, and now umNazaretha having to do with isidalwa senhlanhla. Kukhona lana bafuna ukumphambanisa ikhanda. Yeah, someone bafuna ukumphambanisa ikhanda. They're trying to cause a disbalance la. You know, kwisithunywa somuntu la, mhlawumbe kuyingilosi asebenzisana nayo, right? The Ace of Cups. Yeah, Ace of Cups is more like communication, right? It's more like communication. So what's one now? Let's see. Show me the Ace of Cups. Why is the Ace of Cups here? Why is the Ace of Cups here? Ace of Cups here. Okay, mangisho kanjalo ivoice yami iyagwinyeka. So it has to do with the throat chakra. Mhlawumbe kunomuntu ofuna ukuthuliswa lana ukhuluma kakhulu or something. That's how they feel. Right, let's see though. Show me this in 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Why is the Ace of Cups here? Why is the Ace of Cups here? Why is the Ace of Cups here? You know, iphophoma is here for a reason. Mhlawumbe ngoba iphophoma ilana nesithunywa silana, lo muntu odumile uzoba nengozi emphophomeni thizeni ngoba kukhona umlingo la okhiwayo, right? Kunomuntu lapha abamtargeting. Now show me this Ace of Cups. Burdened. Yeah, someone is burdened, or someone is a burden to other people. Sebathukuthele manje bafuna ukumsusa ngempela lo muntu endleleni. Right, let's see. Now clarify for me this Ace of Cups and the burdened here. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. I'm drawn, certainly drawn. I mean, this pophoma is right next to 8 of Pentacles. Alright, so now clarify for me this Ace of Cups and the burdened here. What is happening here? I'm funele is separately drawing board. No. Give me something concrete, Wena. Show me what is happening here. The burden and the Ace of Cups. Clarify that for me. Yeah, my throat chakra again acting up. So, kwenzakalani la ngibonise lo Ace of Cups lo ne burden here. Show me what is happening here. Oh, yala lento ngibonise. Yangikhathaza kunokuthi ngikhiphele indaba. Oh. Umdawo card just felt, you know, separated itself. Magawala ma cards. Show me Ace of Cups and burden. Show me this. What is happening here? Oh, yeah, but force. Show me what's happening. Okay, show me 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Show me what's happening here. The Ace of Cups and burden. Hey, boo. Yeah. What is this? Ingulo, ears, eyes again. Crossed by not yet time. Burden, ears, eyes. Oh, someone, yeah, I'm telling you, I mean, that alongside the crown chakra, it's like messing up your head. Mhlambe ngaleso sikhathi uthi uyafika lapho emanzini or empophomeni or something that has to do with iphophoma, right? I think I need to clarify this phophoma further, but bese ungezwa kahle into abayenzayo labantu ukuphazamisa isithunywa sakho, yeah, with the spells and isithunywa here coming out in reverse and the page of wands, exactly that. They're trying to send you imilayezo okungasiyiyo. You will find that sometimes mhlawumbe uyabizwa futhi empophomeni, wherever that's that water body or somewhere, you know, and when usitshela ukuthi idlozi lakho kanti kukhona umlingonyana osuwakhiwe la, right, ukukudonsela kule ngozi lena abantu sebakubekele yona. All right, so now let me see, clarify for me this iphophoma. Let's see what we can get based on this phophoma, right, to get an idea of where that place could be lapho kwakhiwa khona umlingo, right, ukuphazamisa lo muntu lo kamoya lo. Phazamisa umuntu kamoya, asazi inkosi yami, yeah. And show me imphophoma, iphophoma yini le phophoma kahle kahle, sibonise iphophoma lena yini. Hayi isikhiphela izitha ke ziphuma zibheke phansi. With the fish motion, karmic, okay, let me try tarot. Show me phophoma, ngibonise iphophoma, ngibonise iphophoma. Yini le phophoma? Bitter and sour as this fish. Four of Cups. The Magician. Okay, I don't know what that is, but we will see, right? It looks like that khona ophanjaniselwa izinto la, umlingonyana owenzakalayo lana khona abafuna ukumsusa la emhlabeni, ngoba mhlambe inyathela abantu ama-cons, mhlambe ezoba isizathu sokuthi abantu baphucwe umcebo wabo, baphucwe amandla wabo, right? Yeah, along those lines sizobona kodwa as we go along with the reading, right? What am I trying to see here? On to Nine of Wands. Yeah, bafuna ukumlimaza lo muntu. Karma, karmic situation. I think lo muntu uyazi usingakakhulumi lento usayibambe kuye. Maybe there's been a warning that was sent to this person, right? This person is keeping all of these threats to themselves. Ooh, show me Nine of Wands, conventions, baggage. Let me see with this one. Show me Nine of Wands and this karmic convention situation here. Let's see. Amanzi amnyama. So this is a family matter. Hey. So this is a family situation with amanzi amnyama coming out with this Nine of Wands and karmic situations and conventions here. This is a family situation. Whoever this fight is in between, you know, with the Five of Wands there, is our overall energy. Labantu abalwayo lana bayahlobana. Abantu abahlobene laba, family members, relatives of some sort. Khona lana ama-fake bese kuba khona beqiniso. Who's fighting who here? Let's see. Ebo, lamanye amakhathi ngwayisephi manje? I had here the pages here, the Page of Cups, the Page of Pentacles, and the Nine of Swords. Show me this Page of Cups here. So we do know now that this is a family situation, right? Yeah, it's a family situation. Show me what is happening with the Page of Cups. What is happening with this Page of Cups? Show me. Why is the Page of Cups here? Why is the Page of Cups here? Why is the Page of Cups here? Idlozi coming out in reverse and the red cross. Let's do Page of Pentacles. Show me Page of Pentacles. What is happening here with Page of Pentacles? Page of Pentacles. Ancient ancestors sideways. Page of Pentacles. Page of Cups. Five of Swords. Show me Five of Swords. Show me Five of Swords. Isinqumo. Yeah. Crossed by Ujasi. Ubangwa. Yeah, kunombango la, definitely umbango lo osemndenini. Khona abagucula idlozi or abazama ugucula idlozi. Or mhlawumbe abathi akuguculwe idlozi. Khona ophikisayo. Khona othi no ngivusa abantu bakudala with the ancient ancestors here. Khona othe hey sengibuyele emuva lana. I want to start on a more stable, ground with the Page of Pentacles here. But abanye bayancaba. Therefore kuba nengcabano la. Akuzwani ngesinqumo abantu baphikisana la. Okay, so let's see. Show me this Page of Cups here in 1, 2, 3. Show me this Page of Cups here in 1, 2, 3. Show me this Page of Cups here. Yeah, ngishawa ekhanda manje. Like, yeah. What is happening? Mhlawumbe azambulala ngekhanda lo muntu. Yeah, khona umthwetshulu la with the Judgment card. Remember, lust is wanting to come out here in reverse. Yeah, someone is no longer interested in doing shady business here. And so, bayamlwisa. So, Page of Pentacles. Show me the Page of Pentacles and the ancient ancestors here. Snake deception. Yeah, khona la. Abaye bagucula idlozi. And show me this is Isinqumo and Five of Swords. Mbonise lesinqumo and Five of Swords. Kwenzakalani la ukudonsana. Someone's desperate. Yeah, isinqumo with desperate and the Five of Swords. Yeah, kuzochitheka igazi lana khona othi ya yabona nje mina ngizondiza lana and ngifuna ukudiza lana and I don't care what whether kufa abantu lana or njani with the manipulation card here. Right, someone is definitely committed to kill here. For amandla angasi ewabo even. Right, yakukho negazi lana elizochitheka sazi kuphi kodwa sobona. Right, let's see. That was just scanning the general energy, right? And yeah, it don't see the kakhulu, but yeah, we will see. Asingene lana si clarify this 3 cards umsikazi, the Bible and Islamic ga. Now, sibona kahle kwenzakalani la. Okay. Yeah. Savutha lokwama cards la. Ngizokwazi ukuchubekela phambili. Right. Okay. We wanna see, we wanna know. Alright. Let's see. Umsikazi, Holy Bible, Islam. What is this? Show me what is this. Ngibonise yini lokhu. Yini lokhu seningithethe nangibeka entweni eyiningi engazazi nokuthi kuthiwani khona lapho. Yeah, but the situation here, I mean, with the Holy Bible and the Islam here, different beliefs between two people, two different situations eziphikisanayo. As I said, we did now clarify that actually this is a family thing, or these people are related. Abantu abazanayo could be friends sometimes, not necessarily related by blood, but these are close two people, or could even be two groups of two groups, and then but bayahlobana bayazana abantu labo baphila bonke abobani labo asas. And kungaba bafundisi kwazi ba njengoba iziveza njenge-Holy Bible and Islamic, so it has to do with spirituality and a belief of some sort, spiritual practice and whatnot. Why is this one falling away? The lovers even, I had the lovers card falling out. Mhlawumbe izithandani lezi. Hey, lovers. Hey. Umsikazi, Holy Bible and the Islam. Very interesting now that we just had the lovers card coming out, and umsikazi is above this Holy Bible and Islam. Could it be that this is a woman that is actually going to overpower the husband and kill them? Ngule midst of misunderstanding of bangazwani ungazwani kwabo. It's not even misunderstanding, clash leni, intolerance. Umuntu akasafuna ukutolerate okuthile nokushintsha kwendlela zokuphila komuntu, ukuphikisana basically la. Show me what is happening kumsikazi, Holy Bible. Okay, I will clarify umsikazi. Show me umsikazi, ne? Ngibonisele umsikazi, because le besiyenza manje besiclarify lama cards o3. I'm gonna do them separate now, ukuthi sibe ne-idea ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani la. Kuthiwani? Ngibonisa umsikazi, ngibonisa umsikazi in 1 2 3. Umsikazi is showing up as that 9 of wands. Khona that 9 of wands beyithini laphana? Beyithini 9 of wands? It was the first scenario. It's crossed by what? Ngisabonanga. So the woman in this case is, which one? Khohliwe nami ngifana nenkukhu, but I will remember just now. I will remember umsikazi, the one trying to create a bomb. Hey, mbonise lo msikazi. Bani lo kwenzakalani? Why is umsikazi here? Show me umsikazi.